Hi everybody, my name is Uncle Traveling Mac. Welcome to my channel. Damn. In this episode, I'm gonna have a unboxing video of hearing protection aid from Hantek audio. This is not a sponsor video. I was lucky enough to win a competition on Facebook, which my mother signed me up for. So then I got to win a hearing protection aid for when I go to concerts and stuff, which lower the. It doesn't distort the music with normal protection. The sound is just lower, but it's still the same quality. So let's see if we can open this and see what's inside. Let's see what's inside of this. I can take it closer. You can see the Hantek.no. Hantek Audio presents. Got my knife here. Oh, just a small case. Cool. Nothing more inside, I think. Okay. Custom made for Uncle Traveling Mac. Which is pretty cool. So this is the box. And you have the logo of it. You get it on ACS. Ooh. How it looks inside. It's pretty nice. I guess there's 4. No! This is the molds. This is this is what I had in my ear when I this summer. I got this girl come and take a test, and this is what she put in the ear. That was an interesting. So what is this now? This is some sort of gel. Comfort cream for custom ear. Okay, so am I supposed to put that on? Okay, and what the hell is this? What? Is this to take it out, or I'll check. I'm just skeptical now. So anyways, the main pieces, they are there. Okay. Let's see. There's instructions. Maybe I should read the instruction on this one, because it's going inside my head. Step 1. Okay. It's even got the tiny logo on the. It's red and it's blue. It's actually this is a red logo. So they're different types. Okay. There I can feel it. It's way lower. Ah. It says here. Ha. Like I said, I should read the instruction before I. The one with the red logo is for my right ear, and the one with the blue is for my left. Okay, so blue goes into the left. Damn. Oh. Okay. Well, they are in now. It's also pretty good. Okay. I think they are in at least. It feels like they are in. Yeah. I never used customized. I'm probably talking extremely loud now. Sorry for that. I never used custom ear plugs before, so this is. I'm not quite sure how they are supposed to be, but I guess this is it. And it blocks out pretty much of the noise. I will try them out. Try them out on a concert very soon. So yeah, this is the types on how many different levels you can block out the sound. I'm not quite sure which one I have. So that's the air pieces. This is what they made them out of, which is cool. And you're like, if I ever need other one, I have the molds, so I can just send them in, because this is inside my ears. I don't have to do this again. So perfect. Oh, that is cool. Yeah. A very bizarre try and unboxing, but I guess it's fine. I will link the page for Hantek audio where you can order if you want to try them yourself, or maybe you need one. Maybe you go often to concerts like I do. That would be definitely something that you would like to have. But they cost a little bit. I'm not quite sure of the price, because as I said, I won a competition on Facebook. But yeah, so thank you, Hantek, and please like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you like this type of videos, and if you want me to make more of these types of videos, the unboxing videos, please let me know in the comment section below, and catch you guys on the flip side.